What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Got them working on my plumbing. My kitchen sink had been bagged up, and they're here today to fix the problem. Yep.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Thank you, baby. Try. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Do the plumbing. Yep. Get stuff together. Yep. It was all started. It was bagged up from there. You have to take that, dig that up, and take the side of the wall down in order to do the plumbing. Yep. Yep. I hope they can get it done today. It's been down for about a week. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when we see them, when they get down to the nitty gritty. Yeah, I'll get back with y'all.